Okay, so this video is about how to run a financial data query on Tijori. So again, you go to Tijori's filter section by clicking on the top right. We skip this pop-up for now. And you can see two boxes, one for alternate data or business data, whatever you'd like to call it. The other is the financial query. Okay. Financial query is very intuitive. It's what you think it is. Like you can filter on companies with market cap more than 100 crores and net profit margin less than 30% and ROCE greater than 15% or whatever you want. You can make any query you like. One difference between Tijori and a few other applications is you can type the query instead of, some applications have drop downs and stuff. That's not very intuitive. So you can actually type the query that you want. Uh, I'll do 2-3 queries for you, but in case you want to know what you can type here, again, just click here underneath. So let me show you again. Underneath financial query, there's a what can I type here. You click on that. It takes you to a page which lets you type whatever you want. Okay. So I'll just do 3 types of queries. The first 2 will be pretty basic, and the third I'll show you something different. So the first is I can type a plain vanilla query, what you'd regularly type. So say you want companies with market cap. Again, always use the drop down when possible. Market cap greater than 1,000 crores and PE less than say 25 and ROCE. Actually, let me do 5-year average ROCE. So 5-year average ROCE. Again, I take it from the drop down greater than 15%, right? And of course, I can just search for companies here. And it should give me a list of a whole bunch of companies. So these are plain vanilla queries. Of course, from here, you can filter to a lot more and add whatever other criteria you want. But let's move on to another type of query. Actually, let me just add it here. You can also add shareholding criteria and say, and promoter. So latest quarter promoter holding greater than, say I want people with skin in the game. So latest quarter promoter holding greater than 50%. Again, you click search and it gives you all the companies over here. Of course, here you can always filter by just clicking on the top of the column and it ranks it in ascending or descending order. Okay. So just to sum up, we have an alternate data query and a financial data query. There is these 2 boxes. You can type any of these companies here. Actually, let me just show you one last type of query or one last type of functionality here. You can actually use, it's a little bit advanced, but you can use operators to write any type of query you want. So say I can do market cap divided by sales or say net sales. For better, for more accuracy, always try to put it in brackets and say I want it to be less than 5. So this was a custom ratio that you made for yourself where you said I want market cap by net sales less than 5. And then we search for such companies and hopefully it should show up soon. And here they are, right? So these are the companies with market cap divided by net sales less than 5, right? So these were the 3 main types of queries that you can run in the financial data box. You can filter on the regular financial fields that you find in balance sheet, profit loss, cash flow ratios. You can also filter on shareholding. And the last point is you can make your own ratios based on any of these fields, because obviously we don't have no one can have one exhaustive list, right?